Do you want to know how to borrow money from your Cash app? Here is the step-by-step process for you to be able to borrow money. So first, open your Cash app and navigate to this section, which is you will see a bunch of options, which is the direct deposit, get bank, deposit paper, something, recurring deposits, and borrow. You will see a borrow button, which is the blue icon, and you will click on it. And after that, you will see this page and a button which is indicated as get started. After clicking the get started button, an amount will pop up on your screen that you are eligible to borrow. So you just have to click on the borrow if you wanted to borrow a money. So after clicking, you will see a receipt that comes with your amount that you're eligible with as well as the time, and you are now good to go. That's how you borrow money from your Cash app.